Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your health tracking with Fitbit, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Fitbit and charging the device. Connect your Fitbit to a power source using the provided charging cable. Ensure that your Fitbit is fully charged before setup. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Fitbit app and create a new account if you don't already have one. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the account icon in the top left corner of the app. Select Set up a device to start pairing your Fitbit. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your specific Fitbit model. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for a successful connection. When prompted, enter the code displayed on your Fitbit to complete pairing. Once connected, explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Set your health and fitness goals within the app to track progress. Adjust your daily reminders for steps, water intake, and heart rate checks. Sync your Fitbit to the app regularly to ensure accurate tracking. Customize your dashboard in the app to prioritize the data that matters most to you. Use the app's Insights and Trends feature to monitor your daily performance. Explore the available exercise modes and log workouts directly from your Fitbit. Enable notifications on your Fitbit for calls, messages, and app alerts. Consider joining challenges within the app to stay motivated and engaged. Regularly check for software updates to keep your Fitbit running smoothly. Utilize the community feature to connect with other Fitbit users for support. Periodically review your stats to adjust your fitness goals as needed. Remember to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.